17 ways to make money online. 1. Play online games. If you used to get yelled at for playing computer games instead of doing your homework, your time has come. Now you can earn money for doing that. Game creators eager to build traffic and test concepts will pay if you play. And websites such as Swagbucks are the way to cash in. And as the name says, you'll be paid in bucks through PayPal, transfer, check, or gift cards if you prefer. Payments can be small, but they add up. 2. Complete online surveys. If you're looking to get rich, online surveys are not the way to do it. But on websites like Inboxdollars, filling in surveys will let you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses such as gas and groceries, or get gift cards for different stores and restaurants like Amazon, Starbucks, and Target. According to its website, each Inboxdollars survey takes between 3 and 25 minutes to complete and pays between $0.5 and $5 occasionally. It may seem like the world's most popular apps just pop into existence. But in reality, there's a whole team behind the scenes designing, coding, and marketing them. And those teams need people to test their work to ensure they've done the best job possible. Free Cash offers you the opportunity to become that tester and to be paid for it, in some cases quite handsomely. While many offers pay out only a few dollars, others offer well over $100, though to get there, you may need to play a game for a substantial amount of time or number of levels. For example, Free Cash coins can be paid out via PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa rewards, or Amazon gift cards among other options. And you can also earn them by taking surveys or using the Free Cash portal to make purchases or sign up for new services. 4. Sell websites or online businesses. Got a website or online business with a decent following or perhaps a desirable domain name registered in your name? There's money to be made from flipping websites. You just need to know where to look. Often the biggest hurdle is figuring out how much the website or business is worth and finding interested buyers. Websites are said to be worth 2 to 3 times the annual profit they generate, although that isn't set in stone and can vary considerably. For a better idea, consider getting a professional valuation. Once you've settled on an asking price, look for an online marketplace that specializes in these types of transactions. It's important to find somewhere safe that can attract as many potential bidders as possible. Flippa, which also offers a free website valuation tool, is considered one of the best. 2. To be continued.